Hello, Macy here. Welcome back to my channel. Ever wonder what magic happens when you click a button on the website? There's a whole secret world behind the scenes. This week I've been crafting the invisible skeleton that makes my web application works. And I will take your hand through this journey.
Alright, so last week I said I was so pumped to dive into the crown jewel of this app, the heart and soul of what this app would do, and the most exciting part that makes this application stand out from the ocean of AI tools. I was so ready to build the most badass feature yet, but then the reality hit. Turns out the dashboard needed a little more love before we could really go wild. We are talking about showcasing those trending voices, letting people give them a listen, and then making it easy for them to subscribe and start using the voice. Lastly, the dashboard needs to display the user info, which we forgot last time. So that's what exactly we are tackling this week. Alright, let's dive into the code. First, I had to set up some special user permissions. You know, the digital equivalent of a VIP pass. Next, I built the back-end infrastructures to manage all the data. Think of it as creating a control center for the whole operation. To test things out, I needed some fake data, so I cooked up a bunch of viral popular voices. It's like creating a popularity contest without any real competition. After that, I built the API endpoints for downloading voices, fetching popular voice data, and handling user subscriptions. Can't wait to see if our hard work paid off. Let's test these endpoints. Testing back-end endpoints isn't exactly glamorous. It's all about making sure data flows smoothly between different systems. No fancy visuals, just pure logic. While Fast API offers built-in test tools, I prefer the hands-on approach with Postman. Yay, it worked! With a well-functioning backend, now we need to work on the front end. But I do not want to overwhelm people with code again, so let's enjoy some nice retail scene.
Facial recognition technology is used to unlock smartphones and secure access to sensitive information.
With these features in place, we are ready to level up. Stay tuned for even more exciting stuff.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating. Bye bye!